Imagine uncovering something so disturbing that it changes how scientists see the world forever. Some discoveries reveal lost civilizations. Others unlock medical breakthroughs. But a few remind us just how dangerous, mysterious, and unpredictable our planet really is. From invisible lakes that can kill thousands in minutes, to ancient diseases trapped beneath the ice, these are the most terrifying discoveries ever made. Number 1. Lake Nyos, the Killer Lake. In 1986, villagers living near Lake Nyos in Cameroon went to bed like any other night. Many never woke up. Overnight, more than 1,700 people and around 3,500 livestock died without warning. There were no signs of violence. No fire. No explosion. Just bodies lying where they had fallen. Scientists eventually discovered the horrifying cause. Lake Nyos sits above volcanic magma. Over time, enormous amounts of carbon dioxide dissolved into the deep waters of the lake. Then something triggered the gas to erupt. A massive cloud of carbon dioxide burst from the lake and rolled silently across nearby villages. Because carbon dioxide is heavier than air, it hugged the ground. People and animals unknowingly breathed it in. Within minutes, they suffocated. Today, pipes have been installed to slowly release the trapped gas, but scientists continue monitoring the lake because another deadly eruption remains possible. Number 2. The Door to Hell. In the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan lies a giant crater that has been burning continuously for more than 50 years. Known as the Door to Hell, it began in 1971. Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas when the ground suddenly collapsed beneath their equipment. The collapse exposed a huge underground pocket of methane. Fearing that toxic gas would spread into nearby communities, they set it on fire. They expected the flames to burn out within days. Instead, the crater has burned for decades. The fiery pit is about 70 meters wide and glows brightly day and night. Although it's now a famous tourist attraction, it serves as a reminder that humans sometimes unleash forces they cannot easily control. Number 3. Ancient viruses hidden in permafrost. For thousands of years, the frozen ground in the Arctic has acted like Earth's natural freezer. Scientists once believed many ancient microbes trapped inside were permanently inactive. They were wrong. Researchers have successfully revived viruses that had remained frozen for nearly 50,000 years. These viruses infected amoebas rather than humans, making them relatively safe to study. However, the discovery proved something unsettling. Ancient microorganisms can survive for astonishing lengths of time. As climate change causes permafrost to thaw, scientists worry that unknown bacteria or viruses, once humans have never encountered, could eventually be released. No evidence currently shows that dangerous ancient human viruses have emerged from thawing permafrost. But the possibility has become an active area of scientific research. Number 4. The toxic waters of Chernobyl. When the Chernobyl nuclear disaster occurred in 1986, radioactive contamination spread across large parts of Europe. Decades later, scientists continue making disturbing discoveries inside the damaged reactor. One of the most alarming is the presence of highly radioactive water accumulating beneath the reactor structures. These waters contain dangerous radioactive materials and require constant monitoring. Researchers also discovered strange black fungi growing in some of the most radioactive environments. These fungi appear capable of using a pigment called melanin to tolerate, and possibly benefit from, high levels of radiation. While these organisms don't make Chernobyl more dangerous than it already is, they demonstrate how life can adapt in environments once thought completely uninhabitable. The site remains one of the most heavily monitored radioactive locations on Earth. Number 5. The giant blob beneath Africa. Deep beneath Africa lies one of Earth's greatest geological mysteries. Scientists discovered an enormous region of unusually dense material located near the boundary between Earth's mantle and core. This massive structure stretches for thousands of kilometers. Researchers call these formations large low-shear velocity provinces. Exactly what they are remains uncertain. Some scientists believe they are remnants of an ancient planet that collided with Earth billions of years ago. Others think they are enormous accumulations of dense rock formed during Earth's early history. Whatever their origin, these giant structures influence how heat moves inside our planet. They may even affect volcanic activity and the movement of tectonic plates. Although hidden nearly 3,000 kilometers beneath our feet, they continue to shape the world above us. Number 6. The deadliest cave ever discovered, Movile Cave. In 1986, workers drilling in Romania accidentally uncovered a cave that had been completely sealed off from the outside world for around 5.5 million years. When scientists entered, they found an ecosystem unlike anything ever seen. The air contained extremely low oxygen and dangerously high levels of carbon dioxide, methane, and hydrogen sulfide. A person couldn't survive inside for very long without specialized breathing equipment. Even more astonishing, the cave wasn't empty. It was teeming with life. Scientists discovered dozens of species found nowhere else on Earth, including blind spiders, water scorpions, leeches, and centipedes. Instead of relying on sunlight like almost every other ecosystem on Earth, these organisms survived using bacteria that obtain energy from chemicals in the cave. Movile Cave proved that life can thrive in places once thought completely uninhabitable. It also changed scientists' understanding of where life might exist beyond Earth. Number 7. The boiling river of the Amazon. Deep within the Peruvian Amazon flows a river so hot that it can literally boil animals alive. For years, many believed it was just a local legend. Then scientists confirmed it was real. Known as the Sinead Timpishka, parts of the river reach temperatures close to 100 degrees Celsius. Animals that fall into the water often die within seconds. Researchers believe underground geothermal heat warms the river, even though there are no active volcanoes nearby. The discovery puzzled geologists because rivers this hot are extremely rare outside volcanic regions. Today, the boiling river remains one of Earth's most unusual natural wonders. It is a reminder that even in places we think we understand, nature can still surprise us. The scariest discoveries aren't always monsters or ghosts. Sometimes they're invisible gases capable of wiping out entire villages. Sometimes they're viruses frozen for tens of thousands of years. Sometimes they're radioactive landscapes that continue changing decades after disaster. And sometimes, the most terrifying discoveries are the ones buried so deep beneath our feet that we still don't fully understand them. The more humanity explores, the more we realize just how many mysteries are still waiting to be uncovered. So the next time you think we've discovered everything, remember, some of Earth's greatest secrets are still hiding in plain sight.